Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to fix sound not working, distorted or crackling audio issue in Are We There Yet on PC.
Fix 1. Check audio output. Step 1. Click the sound icon on your taskbar. Step 2. Make sure the correct output device, headphone speakers, is selected. Step 3. Try switching between devices to test sound output. Fix 2. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Steam or your game launcher. Step 2. Go to Library. Right-click RV there yet. Properties. Step 3. Select installed files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Fix 3. Restart audio services. Step 1. Press Windows R, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Step 2. Find these services. Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Step 3. Right-click each. Choose Restart. Fix 4. Disable exclusive mode. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon Sounds Playback tab. Step 2. Select your playback device, Properties, Advanced tab. Step 3. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Step 4. Click Apply and OK.